Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lalit Rao, and I'm the editor of www.cinemapoet.com, a bilingual website on world cinema. Today, I'm going to speak to you about 43rd International Film Festival of India 2012, which would be held in Goa from 20th until 30th November 2012. Life of Pi, directed by Taiwanese filmmaker Ang Lee, has been chosen as the opening film of 43rd International Film Festival of Goa 2012. According to IFFI director Sri Shankar Mohan, Meera Nayar's Reluctant Fundamentalist would be shown as the closing film. Life of Pi is based on the Booker Prize winning novel by Canadian author Yann Martel. This film marks the debut of young actor Suraj Sharma. Taiwanese director Ang Lee has tasted commercial as well as critical success with films such as The Ice Storm, Eat, Drink, Man, Woman, Sense and Sensibility, Crouching Tiger, Hidden Dragon, Hulk, and Brokeback Mountain. As far as the opening ceremony is concerned, Hindi actor Akshay Kumar would be inaugurating it on 20th November 2012. This year, International Film Festival of Goa is also celebrating 100 years of Indian cinema. The opening ceremony would be held in an open space called Darya Sangam, located behind Kala Academy building, where the river Mandovi meets the Arabian Sea. The special feature of this year's festival would be the Film Village, which would make its reappearance. It's a secured zone of 35 tents wherein delegates and students would be able to stay in close vicinity to major film festival venues for a period of 10 days. Lastly, 43rd International Film Festival of India 2012 would also present the jury awards, which recognize the creativity in the cinematic sphere, and a special centenary award comprising of a silver peacock, a certificate, and a cash prize of rupees 1 million. The recipients of the awards will be announced during the closing ceremony on 30th November 2012, which is scheduled to be attended by director Meera Nayar, producer Ashok Amritraj, singer Kailash Kher, and dance trainer Saroj Khan. Thank you very much.